This stage of creating a shared vision, a shared agenda for change, is really about bringing everyone's efforts together to be able to shape and frame an agenda that is going to be both aspirational and inspirational. The work of the collaboration then is about how do you align all your strategies, but also the way of working, and to really be able to shape up and frame what is that way of working. And what's really key at this stage is the ability to use purpose as an anchor, that really being clear on what is the why and what is the impact we're trying to achieve starts to become really crystal clear at this stage. The people involved in creating and naming the shared agenda will be those who have got most stake in the issue or the collaboration. So at this stage, we would expect to see a backbone appearing that will be funded and enabled to have the functions to support the work of the collaboration. They're not doing the work, they're enabling the collaboration. The leadership table or group leading it will be emerging, and they will be key stakeholders critically representing the diversity of the issue that you're trying to address. And what's core at this stage is that community are a key part in that. As well as good governance processes, you will also have terms of reference, but clarity around things like decision-making, reciprocity, how to work with power, and critically, how do you start to think about and measure impact, even at this very early stage. This stage also focuses on the more adaptive work for the collaboration, which are things like how do we align and broker agreement? How do you bring people together who've got different views and keep them in the collaboration and keep them at the table? Some key things then to remember about at the stage of creating a shared vision is that aligning agreement and having difference and conflict is important. We usually manage that away, but in collaboration, we want to make sure that we can harness that. So having skills and capacity and a muscle in the collaboration to work productively with that, there's lots of skills and resources that we have on the platform to help you do that. Really resist the pull to measurement. At this stage, usually when people are starting to shape a vision that is aspirational and inspirational, there is a pull to measurement. We go very quickly to data. So we've got tips and we've got case studies and ways of working on how do you resist that pull, but equally lean into keeping the momentum and energy that is in the collaboration around the shared vision going. So this is a really exciting phase, but it's equally as important to be focused on some of the technical work that needs to be done whilst you're also working on maintaining the vision momentum. So good luck.